Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today we are doing a look into the Making Mauves and the two color shock shadows that go with this collection. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Make sure to follow me in all my socials and everything, and do check out my other videos. I have a lot of other makeup tutorials and eye looks that I've created with my hundreds of palettes that I have. So take a look at some point, and yeah, that's it. So that being said, let's just jump right into this. So I recently just got this palette a couple days ago. I did an unboxing of all my Colourpop boxes that have been piling up, and this was one of them, and I was dying to get into it. And as you can see, this is kind of the final look. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you swatches of the palette and the two shadows here. And I'm also going to go step by step into the tutorial. There'll be a picture next to me and it'll show you exactly what I'm using, what brush I'm using, and what I'm doing and how I'm blending it, so that you can create something similar or the exact same thing if you like using this palette. Okay everybody, so I have a full face on right now. I kept it pretty affordable in drugstore except the foundation, and everything is listed down below as it always is what I'm wearing on my face. So we're going to dive into this palette right now and we're going to create an eye look. So I purposely wore this shirt and I kept it very berry, and I tried to find like purple tones kind of in that family for my lips and my blush. So I want to dive into, I want to try and use as many colors as I can, but I also want to make sure I go into the two Super Shock Shadows because they are really gorgeous. I'm going to insert some swatches right here of the palette and these two shadows so we can see what we're dealing with and what look we're going to create. And as always, I'm gonna have a picture of the palette next to me showing exactly which brush I used so that you can recreate this look too if you want.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep
Alright everybody, so I just finished putting on some eyeliner and some mascara. This is the second time I've been using this Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and I gotta say I really like it. I've never tried Urban Decay mascaras before, but this one is really nice. It's very, I don't want to say liquidy, but it just, I've been using the L'Oreal ones for so long and they're very like tough. Anyways, I'll talk more about that in another video, but I just been really liking that. Really enjoyed using this palette. This guy up here called Big Moves, I was actually kind of shocked how much color that gave up in my transition. I thought I'd have to dip into that like 4 times. I needed to go once, as you saw in the video. I put once and I was almost done. And I'm like, I didn't even put that much in the brush, which was crazy. So I used this one, Big Moves. I used Big Fig. I used this one, Marquee. And then I used this one by Coastal on the inner corner. And then I used for kind of all over the lid, this one here, Day Tripping. This one here is more of a topper. As I was putting it on, I'll come a little closer. It's very nice, but it is a little bit that iridescent, which I really appreciate, but I think it should be going on top of a matte or something. It doesn't have enough color in and of itself. The glitter in it has color. So it's not one of those that has color and the shimmer on top. But that being said, I'm happy with the way it turned out. I'm not about to, go over it or anything like that. But I had to, re-dip into that about 3 times for each eye. And you really shouldn't have to do that with Colourpop shadows like this. But that just means that it just wasn't one of those pigment ones. It's more of a topper. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the final look. I really like it. I think this is a beautiful palette. I love mauves, and I have so many like lip glosses and things like that in this family. So now that I've organized everything, make sure to watch those other videos where I've kind of organized stuff. It was so easy for me to find a pink or a purple to kind of match this. So it really, really helped. And today I did use my Tati Beauty kind of little blendiful here, which I haven't touched in like a year, but it did a great job because I used a lot of liquid blush and contouring and things like that. I used a whole bunch of stuff today that I haven't used in the longest time, and I'm happy with like the final result. This palette's so beautiful. I knew it would be, but it's a beautiful soft look. I just put a little bit of eyeliner and that was it, and I'm good to go. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like it and subscribe before you go. YouTube should be recommending some videos for you to watch from my collection. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.